What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we've got the R34 Nissan Skyline GTR with Kaido house. And this, guys, is insanely amazing. And why this is so special? If you guys have been following the channel, we've been doing a lot of Malaysia Diecast exclusive cars, and this is a second exclusive from MiniGT in partnership with Kaido house. This was designed by Junimai, and I had the opportunity to meet him, and I actually spoke to him as well. And I also met Glenn Chu, and I met everyone else from MiniGT, which was very nicely done. And it was an amazing opportunity for me to actually get to talk to them as well. And we've got the R34 Kaido house with I believe it's called Millennium Jade paint job. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's basically like a renderation of the green color, right? And this is a Malaysia Diecast exclusive model, and I'm super pumped to have this. You guys can see this is actually sealed. I've not opened mine yet, which means my first impressions are going to be your first impressions when you guys see this video. So we're going to dive right straight into it. And one of the reasons why I like the Kaido houses is because they give off that, you know, the iPhone unboxing vibe with their boxes, right? You guys know that. And that is always such a nice thing because it shows you the amount of attention to, or the amount of work they put just in the box itself. I mean, the fact that the car is already so heavily filled with details, right? And then on top of that, they put a lot of thought and a lot of energy into the box itself. That makes it that much cooler to have. And obviously you guys can see it's actually sealed, so we're gonna cut open the seal right here. Now before we open the car, I just want to show you around the box. So obviously over here we've got a bunch of warnings, hazards, not suitable for under 14 years. We've got Nissan's official licensed product sticker right there. Car culture for all ages, for all scales, sorry. Kaido house right there. Over here we've got the Malaysia, it's written Malaysia Nissan Skyline GTR 34, Kaido works. And Kaido house MiniGT's logo right there. We've got Kaido house right here. I mean, Kaido house is exactly the same as other services. It says designed in Los Angeles by Junimai Kaido House LLC. And over here we've got their socials as well, IG for Kaido House Garage and Kaido House. Now if you guys didn't know, this comes with a metal body chassis, alloy wheels, and an opening hood, which allows you to see a very nicely done engine bay. And with that, we're gonna dive right straight into it because I'm sure you guys cannot wait to see, and first impressions are amazing. Oh my goodness, guys, check it out. So we are gonna ever so, not so gently, but ever so gently, we'll try to get the car. Obviously with the box, it comes with another protective case right here and right here, just to protect the car. Because, and trust me when I say this, she's worth protecting, because this is an amazing R34, guys. Just check that wide body out. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm not gonna fanboy anymore. We're gonna dive right straight into the vehicle. Right off the bat, the paint job on this is immaculate. It is amazing, and I just love the paint job, I'm not gonna lie. The wheels, they spin amazingly well. These are 5-spoke, I believe. No, sorry, these are 6-spoke rims, as you guys can see, with a brilliant offset in the front and in the rear as well. We've got this huge wide body as well that comes with this car. Obviously, you can see the rear diffusers right there. I don't think they're diffusers, but like side vents, right? And we've got the center vents right there. Kaido House written right here. Kaido House Racing, as you guys can see. We've got a bunch of decals or sponsor stickers at the bottom. We've got Ready, Top Rank, and Gym, I assume. And we've got MiniGT's logo right there, which is always a nice little touch to let you know what brand created this monster of a piece. The doors, they do not unfortunately open up, which is a bit of a bummer. It would have been cool if the doors open up, right? And obviously we've got the wing mirrors. You gotta always be careful with those. You don't want to break your wing mirrors of an amazing car as such. And if you guys check the interior, you guys can see the yellow roll cage right there with white bucket seats and a very nicely done beige, or not beige, I would say like a matte black interior, right? Very nicely done. From there we're gonna move to the front of the vehicle. Just look at her. How it does not get any meaner than this. Obviously we've got a Grady decal right there, the GTR logo right here. We've got Kaido House Racing and the Kaido House with the Grady decal right here as well. We've got plastic headlight temples, guys, the GTR logo once again. And just check out the vents, the side vents here and here. Just make this car that much insane. And we're gonna try to pop the hood up to show you the interior, and you can look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, that gold engine bay, just brilliantly done. I think just look at the amount of details. You guys can see it says Kaido House over there as well. The amount of details here is astonishingly well done. And I'm a huge fan of this. You guys know, I will show you towards the end of the video on all the other Kaido houses that I've got, and they all have the same feature, which I think makes it that much interesting, that much cooler to have in your collection. And I'm going to close this right away because I want to talk about the car first. On the left side of the vehicle, exactly the same. We've got the wheel spin amazingly well. Now, if you guys, and I've been wondering too, how do I know that this car is an exclusive model? Right? There's only one way to know, and that is through the tires. If you guys can see, I'm going to try to show you. The tires say Malaysia 2023. Now, this on the car is the only piece or only place that says or indicates that this is from the Malaysian Diecast Expo 2023, which is this year, right? So that little detail on all four tires right there, is the only way to distinguish this with any normal models. I do not think this paint job will ever come out again. You know, I'm sure they want to leave it exclusively for this event. But just in case you guys were wondering what model this is, you guys now know this is a Malaysian Diecast Expo model, which I think is very nicely done. Obviously, I think I forgot to tell you about this, but top rank, the decal is on the windscreen, top of the windscreen right there. And if you look at the rear of the vehicle, because Girth Nation, welcome back to the channel. Check it out, she's girthy. Obviously, we've got the iconic circular tail lights, the Nissan logo right there. We've got a Japanese license plate with quad exhausts, dual exhaust on both sides. Quad exhaust, amazing. We've got a MiniGT decal right there as well. And we've got the Kaido Houses decal and another decal over there as well. You guys can see the yellow roll cage that I was talking about earlier on when we started off, right? And then the side arrow ducts like I showed you at the start of the vehicle, at the start of the video as well. Amazingly done. And from there, we're gonna quickly go into the base, because this base or Kaido House bases are amazing. Just look at the amount of details they have here. Obviously, we've got the Kaido House logo right there, MiniGT's logo right here as well. It says Nissan Skyline. So this is a 1999 Nissan Skyline GTR R34. 1999 is the year I was born. So this car is it's almost 24 years old. It's just amazing, guys. A 24-year-old car. And then obviously we've got this purple base that goes, this purple iridescent base. It's very consistent with all of Kaido houses, and I'm a huge fan of this base. You guys know me, I'm a sucker when it comes to bases with such details, and this base is no exception. All in all, guys, let me know in the comments below what you guys think and feel about this. I think it's amazing. I'm super pumped to have this in my collection. I'm a huge fan of this. But just like that, guys, we're gonna do a few ring shots. I'll see you at the end. And just like I guess we come to the end of the video, I hope you guys had an amazing time. I sure had an amazing time unboxing this car. This R34 is gonna go insanely well in my collection. You know, you guys know I have had Kaido houses in my collection before. The two Datsun 510s and the Fairlady Z. This, you guys remember, was the first Kaido house I ever got. I'm gonna put the link to all these videos in the description below. Do check them out. And today we've got the R34. It is gonna go right here, right on top. And you guys know me, I love my engine bay, so that's gonna stay open right there again. Very nicely done. But just so that, guys, this video is over. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what other cars you want to see next. You want to see more Kaido houses, you want to see pop races. We've got pop race here, we've got pop races here. You guys remember this from the previous video. We've got Hot Wheels here, we've got 64s, your RLCs. We've got other brands. This I don't remember this brand, but it's a different brand. We've got Tarmac Works as well. So let me know in the comments below what brands you want to see, what cars you want to see. But just like that, guys, this video is over. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Peace.